Have you ever sent an email or watched a video on your phone? If you have, you've used information technology or IT. It's pretty cool, right? It is like magic, but instead of spells, we use computers. It's all about using technology to store, share, and protect information. It's everywhere, from your smartphone to the traffic lights on the street. Think of IT as the invisible force that makes our digital world work. It's what allows us to connect with friends and family across the globe, learn new things online, and even order pizza with a few taps on our phones. Without IT, our world would be a very different place. We wouldn't have the internet, smartphones, or many of the other technologies we rely on every day. Remember that email you sent? That's it in action. When you hit send, your message travels through a complex network of computers and servers to reach your friend's inbox. Pretty neat, huh? Or how about that video you watched on your phone? Streaming services use IT to store massive libraries of videos and deliver them to your device in seconds. It's like having a whole movie theater in your pocket. Even something as simple as using a search engine like Google is powered by IT. When you type in a search term, Google's algorithms sift through billions of web pages to find the most relevant results for you. It is everywhere, making our lives easier, more connected, and more fun. Hardware is all the physical stuff you can touch and see. It's like the body of our technological marvels. Your computer, your phone, your headphones, that's all hardware. Inside your computer, there's a motherboard, which is like the central nervous system. It connects all the other parts, like the CPU, the brain, the RAM, short-term memory, and the hard drive, long-term memory. And don't forget about peripherals. These are the gadgets we connect to our computers, like keyboards, mice, printers, and scanners. They help us interact with the digital world in different ways. Hardware is the foundation of IT, the tangible tools that make our digital dreams a reality. Software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. It's like the brain of the operation, the invisible force that brings our devices to life. Think of it like this. Hardware is the car, but software is the driver. Without software, our computers would just be expensive paperweights. There are different types of software, from operating systems like Windows and Mac OS, to applications like web browsers, games, and productivity tools. Each type of software has a specific purpose and helps us accomplish different tasks. Software is what makes our computers and smartphones so powerful and versatile. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of IT. Section 5. Networking. Connecting the world. Networking is how we connect all these amazing devices together. It's like the circulatory system of the IT world, allowing information to flow freely between computers. When you send an email, it travels through a network of interconnected computers and servers to reach its destination. The internet itself is a giant network of networks, connecting billions of devices worldwide. Networking allows us to share information, collaborate on projects, and stay connected with people all over the globe. It's the backbone of our digital world. Section 6. Cybersecurity, keeping your data safe. In this digital age, our personal information is more valuable than ever. That's why cybersecurity is so important. It's like the immune system of the IT world, protecting our data from viruses, hackers, and other threats. Cybersecurity professionals are like digital detectives working behind the scenes to prevent attacks and keep our data safe. They use a variety of tools and techniques to secure networks, encrypt data, and educate users about online safety. Remember to do your part in staying safe online. Use strong passwords, be wary of suspicious emails, and keep your software up to date. Together, we can make the digital world a safer place. Section 7. Data management, organizing the digital chaos. We create an enormous amount of data every day: emails, photos, videos, documents, you name it. Data management is all about organizing this digital chaos and making sure our information is stored, accessed, and used effectively. Imagine a giant library with billions of books but no librarians or filing system. It would be impossible to find anything. Data management professionals are like the librarians of the digital world, creating order out of chaos. They use specialized software and systems to store, organize, and analyze data, making sure it's accessible when we need it, and protected from unauthorized access. Data management is essential for businesses and organizations to make informed decisions and operate efficiently. Section 8. IT Support, your tech helpline. Ever had a computer problem that left you scratching your head? That's where IT support comes in. These tech-savvy heroes are our go-to people for troubleshooting technical issues and keeping our devices running smoothly. IT support specialists are like the mechanics of the digital world, diagnosing and fixing problems with our computers, software, and networks. They're the ones who answer our frantic calls when our Wi-Fi goes down or our printer refuses to cooperate. They're patient, understanding, and always ready to help us navigate the sometimes confusing world of technology. Next time you encounter a tech issue, don't panic. IT support is just a phone call or email away. Section 9, IT Careers Shaping the Future. It is one of the fastest growing fields in the world with countless exciting career opportunities. From software developers to cybersecurity analysts to data scientists, there's a role for everyone in the ever-evolving world of IT. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the demand for skilled IT professionals will only continue to grow. Learning IT skills can open doors to a wide range of industries and provide you with a rewarding and future-proof career. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a problem solver, or simply curious about the digital world, consider exploring the exciting world of IT. You might just discover your dream job.